What's up, guys? It's your boy Boss Kasanga. Welcome back to my channel. We got our certificate. We passed phase 1 on funding pips. We passed phase 2 on equity age on the 28th. Okay, I passed for funding pips on the 28th, and I only got my certificate today. Why? Because funding pips has a minimum trading days of 3, and today was the 3rd day. I passed it and I got my certificate, and same time I was given my second phase of funding pips, and I also passed it today, one day, only using 2 to 3 trades. Let me just show you here. Okay, this is my funding pip phase 2. Profit target was hit 5%, but still we have a 2 days minimum trading days, so I still have to trade for 2 days. So I'll only be using small lot sizes just to follow what the rules say. I have to trade for 2 days, for 3 days, and I just passed the account in 1 day. It was a beautiful trade that I took in the morning of today, the 3rd of March. Okay, let me just see the trades. As you can see here, the biggest win was $120. Okay, overall trade was $251. Phase 2, you only have to reach a 5% on the $5,000 account. Okay, here are the trades that I took today. First trade gave me $104. Second trade, sell and buy at the same time. Okay, I sold this one after I saw a breakdown. I bought this one on a demand zone at the gap. I'll also show you the trades. And this $27 was only to finish up or to fulfill the $250. So this was a quick trade on LD USD. Okay, this is my phase 2 account. So after trading these 3 days, that means that I'm funded with funding pips, guys. Was I risking a lot? No. Normally I only risk 1% of the account, of the starting balance of the account. If the account is if the minimum drawdown is $250, I only risk $50. Okay, so all this trade, it's a 1 to 1.2%. Yeah, our profit target was fulfilled 100%, but still we have to trade it for 2 more days just to pass and get the funded phase. Because the series that I'm doing, guys, is a series on the road to buy a 100K account. So I'm hoping on this funding pips account I will buy a 100K account. On equity age, I also hope to do the same. I'm funded with equity age and I'm still waiting for my credentials. It takes 3 working days for them to overview all my trades, and then I'll be getting my funded account. Same thing with funding pips. After the 3 days, it will take me 3 days to get my funded account. Okay, so it was a wonderful trade. I would say, guys, back testing is very important. Okay, not only being there watching videos on YouTube, guys. No, you have to backtest your strategy. At least backtest for 1 month. Backtest for 1 month, and the other second month, take trades on your demo account. At least 2 months after you have learned everything, all the theory of forex. Backtest for 1 month. It will really help you. Don't place any trade on a demo account or on a live account. Just backtest. And this if you don't have trading view to backtest, you can use FX Replay. It's a wonderful platform for you to backtest your strategy, your trading skills. Okay, guys, it's very important to backtest. If it wasn't because of backtesting and also teaching myself on what to risk and how to trade, I could not be trading the way that I'm trading now, guys. Only the month of February, I'm funded with 2 accounts, meaning I'm funded with $15,000 just because I listened to the mentors. All mentors on YouTube always say backtest. I taught myself how to trade, never took any course. I had to teach myself. I had to feel failure, I had to go through all this until I got this channel that helped me a lot. I think I will leave the link in the description below. That helped me a lot on understanding what to do into the market and what to look for and when to take trades. So guys, backtest is very, very important. All right, so the trades that I took today. First trade, this is gold. Okay guys, this is gold. My first trade, there was a gap in the market in the opening of today. Market opened with a gap, so I came here. I saw a supply zone here. This was a supply zone. The supply zone was already tested. Okay, so it was already tested here, so it's no more, it's invalid. Okay guys, my first language here is Portuguese. All right, so bear with me here. Okay, this was a supply zone. The supply zone was tested. So now this, after testing the supply zone, this for me, if the market might come here, is just coming to take out liquidity. Why? Because we had sellers coming in downtrend. Why? Because here we can see that the market took out also liquidity. It took out liquidity, it came again, it took out liquidity. It took out liquidity on both of the side, up and on the downside. So what do we still have here? We know that we have a gap. The gap was until here, it was closed, and then it was closed. Still we have a gap, and the market always comes back to close all gaps. The market doesn't leave gaps in the market. Okay, so I know that the market wants to go down to come close this gap. Okay, now it came, it tested, nothing. It came, it tested, it gave me this this inverted hammer here. Didn't take the trade. I was still waiting. It gave us this higher low. Okay, and now here we are in a bit of consolidation. This was a consolidation, so I was just waiting to see if the market can break out to the downside or go to the upside. If it was going to the upside, I would not have taken any trade, because I know that the market has to close this gap later or sooner. So when I saw that we had this bearish candle here, and another bullish candle, but it went and left a wick. As soon, I told myself, when the other candle that is here breaks the low of this bullish candle here, I will take my trade to the downside. All this on the 5 minutes. So as soon as I saw that, I took my trade. The market came. I entered. I was patient. I was waiting. This trade, I think I took it on 4 a.m. in the morning. Usually I don't trade on that time, but 4 a.m. is when I took this trade. I waited. The trade came here, but I was very, very late to close out the trade, because it came and bounced off from this demand zone here, meaning it closed the gap and it is going to continue to the upside. So this trade gave me I think $104. This trade here gave me $104, leaving me with 140 something dollars. So it gave me a pin bar. Didn't take a trade, and then it gave me this morning star. So gave me this morning star. I was supposed to take the trade here, but I waited for this bullish candle to close and see another bullish candle, because most of the time the market will come and just test this zone here that looks like a resistance, because of these two candles right here. So I took, after this, the closer of this bullish candle, I took my trade, and the trade just gave me, and I was waiting. I was a bit afraid here. Why? Because as you can see, we have a support zone here to resistance. So meaning this would have taken the trade to the downside. But if you look very well, this was our last low. Okay, this was our last higher low. Okay, market broke out, giving us that change of character. That's why the market came here, gave us this morning star, and went to the downside. So this is the trade that I took today. I was waiting, I was in negative, but I was still patient. I don't know where this patience is coming from, because these days I'm being very patient with the trades, because mostly when I see that it's in red for more than 15 minutes, I likely used to close the trades. But now I've been patient. It's either it hit my stop loss or it takes my TP. And what happened here, the market came and started showing me those bullish candle, gave me $120, closing out $120, meaning that was $224, and the $27 was just a it was just a piece of cake. So this is the trade that I took that made me pass my second phase on funding pips. So we still have two more trading days to take trades. So I'll be taking these trades these days. I think this I won't be using a 0.01 lot, nothing more. The trade has to be there for 5 minutes, and then I'll close it and wait for another day until I until I get my funded credentials. Okay, so guys, this is the video that I bring to you guys today, just to let you know that being patient is very good. Backtesting is very important, because before doing exams, most of us that go to school, we have to study, we have to be at home, study, do some, how do you say it, make questions for yourself, and then answer them without looking into the book. It's the same thing with the market. So you have to backtest, and after like 1 year of watching videos, you should stop watching videos and just stare on the chart. Look what the charts are showing you. Okay, and trade what you see. Don't trade what you know, what you think. Yeah, trade what you see. Okay guys, and always just wait for your setups and find there's no good strategy, but find something that works for you. Okay guys, so it's your boy Kasanga, and I'm an Angolan trader. This was my video. Any question, just leave it in the comment. If you want me to do another video, just let me know. Okay, I think my funded stage, I'll be documenting everything until we buy $100,000 account, because that is the objective of these two accounts. Okay, yes guys, so see you in the next video. Okay, thank you. All right.